Good evening. We have 27 new cases today and we have 11 recoveries. The total number of active cases is 560. Suspects under hospital isolation 15. Number of travelers in facility quarantine 289. People under home quarantine 621. We have sent 1,307 samples in the last 24 hours and we have received 1,380 results.
Good evening, and so far 57 trains have left Goa, Shramik specials, in which 80,486 migrant workers have also gone to their native places. In total, it all means 1,27,050 people have gone out and 29,718 people have come in since 29th April 2020. On booking of cases for non-wearing of mask, the current number stands as 26,597, and for booking the cases for spitting in public places, 9,805 cases have been booked. Thank you.
Police personnel are on.
Yes, today we have 3 police personnel who have tested positive. So 2 are from the Marmugao police station and 1 is from Vasco.
Okay. Their contacts have been.
Yes, the contact tracing is going on. Families have already been, the swabs have been taken and it is going on.
About Margam case when doctor have been found positive when he had treated some 50 odd people.
Yes, that is the news that we got yesterday, that one of the private practitioners in Margam is tested. Not Margam, he's from Kottalim if I'm not wrong.
South side.
Yes. So he has tested positive and we are actively doing the contact tracing since yesterday.
The same case like Mangur Hill. Mangur Hill also doctor did same mistake.
Well, I would not comment about whether there was any mistake or not in this case. That was of course a case of a positive person not being diagnosed by the doctor. In this case, the doctor has come positive, so I will not make any comments on that aspect of it. All that I will share with you and what information I have is that he has been found positive. That is the information that I have. That he's a private practitioner who practices in, he's from Kottalim.
There have been isolated cases in Raya and Kottari. So is there any link that has been established as to how they could have...
What we have termed as isolated cases are those cases in which there is no clear link. That is what we term as an isolated case. If it is a link, then you are naturally pointing out from our own media bulletin yesterday. So wherever we are mentioning isolated case, it means that there is no established link as of that day, as of the time of the media bulletin.
Any decision on containment zone in Baina?
Baina, yes. Collector South has already issued late yesterday in the evening a micro containment order for particularly 3 buildings of Baina, particularly speaking, or more specifically speaking, near the Baina ice factory area. So 3 buildings have been declared as micro containment zone. This micro containment zone is because it is not big enough to be declared as a containment zone per se, but yes, the people in that area need to be vigilant and naturally we need to regulate the movement, entry, exit of persons from that area, from that building, these 3 buildings specifically.
Any civil supply personnel from Vasco?
Yes, there is one civil supplies person who is employed in the Vasco civil supplies department who has been found positive, but that is at least 4 to 5 days back.
Madam, these isolated cases, will you all be investigating?
Yes, in each of these cases, the actual contact tracing begins from the time we know that the person is positive. So that process is an ongoing process, and as I said, isolated as of when we are issuing the media bulletin. It is quite possible that later we establish a link, but yes, as of the time of the media bulletin, whatever we declare as isolated is one in which we don't have a link per se.
If we have any success in tracing the missing COVID person?
That one person who gave a wrong address of Panjim, no, not yet. We have not been able to trace that person.
And that one person from Betim sent to Madgaon.
Who is admitted at the side, right? Yeah, that is true. What about that person?
What is the status?
Sorry, how is his condition? Very well improved in fact, and he was off the ventilator even the very next day. That was reported also in some of the newspapers, and he has shown massive improvement. So definitely his condition is stable now, it is no longer critical.
This case is linked to with Mangur Hill again.
No, that case is not linked to Mangur Hill. That case has certain other links which we had inquired. It is not linked to Mangur Hill, definitely not. That person is from North Goa, not linked to Mangur.
Okay. He got a traveling history or something.
No, he doesn't have a travel history. But yes, there is a contact that we have been able to trace in the case of that person.
He's security guard, no?
Yes, yes.
Any more premises are brought under COVID care center?
COVID care center. So far, I'll tell you the names of the COVID care centers that we have as of today, operational. One is the PHC at Shiroda, that was our first COVID care center. Our second COVID care center was Kolva Residency. Third one, Kalangut Residency. Almost parallelly with Kalangut Residency, we also started the MPT hospital. The hospital of MPT, Marmagaon Port Trust's hospital. Sorry.
Sai Hostel and Master.
There is a proposal for having more COVID care centers, but the 4 names that I told you right now are the operational COVID care centers. The remaining are at the stage of proposal. We will share with you once it is finalized and notified. It has to be notified by the collectors as COVID care center.
Process of shifting asymptomatic patient from hospital to stadium started.
No, stadium we have not yet notified as COVID care center. We are, of course, thinking of it. The proposal is, as I said, under submission. So we'll share details with you once it is approved.
Madam, 61-year-old, one man from Parvarim, he tested positive.
There is one case from Porvorim today. I don't know further details specifically about that person, but yes, there is one case which has tested positive from Porvorim today. It is there in our media bulletin, we have mentioned.
Traveling history.
I don't know anything more about that person. Just a little while back, I got the information when our media bulletin was being prepared. Further details I do not have right now.
Does this emergence of isolated cases, be an indication of maybe a wider spread of the coronavirus across the state?
Everyone has to be alert, and everyone has to follow the safety protocol that our Director Health Services shared the other day. This is again an appeal from the Health Department side to all members of the public in Goa, that everyone needs to be vigilant. At the same time, there is no need for a sort of panic reaction, but yes, vigilant and careful maintenance of the safety and hygiene protocol is very important. Wearing of masks, use of sanitizers, washing of the hands frequently, social distancing, all of this is very, very important. Okay.
The schools are when they are starting?
No decision taken so far about the reopening of schools.
Because some schools are taking fees and all.
There is no decision by the government on the opening of schools.